Hello, I'm going to try to do this fast, but because I did this again and it didn't really work out. But I am a new, well, not new, but I collect cats versus pickles, and I only have five, so I'm going to real quickly show you them real quick. First one I'm going to show you is her. Her name is, let me look real quick, Rainbow Meow, and her saying is, nothing is pretty as perfect rainbow, and her number is 27. Next is Thunder Kitty. His saying is, a meow oh my god, I can't say the word. Oh my god. Technology that loves to predict the weather, and he is number 12. And the last one that I'm going to show you, I can't believe I have, which is the number. This is Cheeseburger, and I already know his saying by heart. His saying is, can someone hold the pickles, please? And he's number 11. And then I literally think I found a rare one, because I literally got a pickle. His name is Match Pickle, and he's so rare, I think, that I looked him up on Google, and I couldn't even find him. He was in a group picture, but not by himself. And his name is a technology marvelous of sort. And then the last one, guys, I can't believe it, but I have Pawberry, and her number is number 1. And her saying is, this possum oh my god, this possum cat loves to jam, which I think is absolutely adorable. But I think that is all. Hopefully I can get some new friends. But other than that, I think I am done. Bye. Thanks for watching.